How to repost full long reel on Instagram story in one simple step. In today's quick and easy tutorial, I'm going to show you how to repost a full or long Instagram reel to your story in just one simple step. If you've ever wanted to share a reel but didn't know how to do it without cutting it short, this video is for you. Alright, here's the simple trick. To repost a full or long reel to your story. Normally, Instagram only lets you share part of a reel to your story, but there's a quick workaround. First, find the reel that you want to post. Let's say this is the reel that we want to post. Now you'll see an option that says share and find it, add to story. Now Instagram may crop the reel to fit the story format. However, you can use the trim feature available in the top left corner after tapping the your story icon to adjust the reel and make it perfectly without cutting it short. This video is 30 seconds, so it has been perfectly fit. You can tap on it to make sure it is in the full screen. Now if you want the reel to be fully visible without cropping, you can resize the video just by tapping on it. This way you can fit the full reel into your story screen in its entirety. And that's it. You've just learned how to repost a full or long Instagram reel to your story.